This is a video on converting an older OMC Johnson or Evinrude outboard motor to solid-state electronic ignition. The electronic ignition modules can be purchased from Amazon or AliExpress. They are approximately half the price of a replacement set of points and condenser. In this application, two modules are used, one for each cylinder, and they are mounted to a good solid plate, in this case at the rear of the carburetor where they are accessible. It is important that the unit is grounded. The flywheel of the motor is removed, and in this case I have already removed the points and condenser from one of the magnetos. The other side is still intact. With the points and condenser discarded, a hole is drilled and a wire threaded up through from the ignition module under the contact plate and is available for connection. Connections are made between the solid state ignition module, the coil magneto, and also the kill switch or button on the motor. These wires are joined together and well insulated. Be careful that they are located away from moving parts of the flywheel or the shaft. On the other side of the motor, it can be seen that the old points and condenser are still intact. I will of course be routing a separate wire and following the same connections once the points have been removed, and again care is taken in routing the wire from the new electronic ignition module so as not to interfere with moving parts. The new wire from the contact plate is then attached to the ignition module. There are only two connections. One goes to ground, the other is the connection from the magneto under the flywheel. It will be noted that the connections can be made either way, but the motor will perform noticeably better one way than the other. Experimentation will let you decide which is best for you. These are all the connections that need to be made. It is also worth noting, in addition to having a cost advantage, these modules could be replaced with nothing more than a screwdriver. This job could even be done while on the water. That could not be said for replacing a points or condenser in the event of a failure. I hope this is of interest to you.